What if I told you someone hiccuped for 68 years straight? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about the longest hiccuping spree ever. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922. It lasted until 1990. That's a total of 68 years. He hiccuped up to 40 times per minute. That's over 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. Doctors tried everything to cure him, but nothing worked. Eventually, his body just adapted. Osborne's hiccups finally stopped 1 year before he passed away. Imagine dealing with that every day! Did you find this surprising? Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe for more incredible facts.